My AI video workflow used to look like this. One tab open for image generation, another for video, a third for voiceover, a fourth for music, and somewhere in between all of that, an editing timeline trying to hold it all together. The output was fine. The process was exhausting. I kept thinking there had to be a cleaner way to do this. Then I started using Pixmax, and the workflow I'm going to show you today is the one I've actually settled into. Cinematic video, from concept to finished output, inside one workspace. Let me walk you through it. Head to Pixmax.ai. Pixmax is an all-in-one AI creative workspace. Video, images, text, and audio models, all accessible from the same canvas, with asset management, workflow templates, and project organization built around them. You're not just getting model access, you're getting a production environment designed around how creative work actually happens. The thing that makes it different from just another AI tool aggregator is the infinite canvas and the project workspace. Your assets, storyboards, generations, and model outputs all live together in one organized place. You can run multiple canvases inside a single project, which matters a lot when you're building something with multiple scenes, characters, and visual continuity requirements. Open a new project and you'll land on the canvas. This is your workspace for the entire production. I'm going to build a short cinematic piece, a 60-second atmospheric sequence set in a near-future city at night. Rain-slicked streets, neon reflections, one figure moving through the frame. The kind of scene that would cost a full crew to shoot practically. The first thing I do is use the text model to develop the concept before I touch any generation tools. Click into the text panel and select Gemini 3 Pro. I type, write a 5-shot storyboard for a 60-second cinematic sequence. Setting, near-future city, night, heavy rain, neon-lit streets. Protagonist, a lone courier moving through the city. Tone, quiet tension, cinematic, slightly melancholic. Each shot should have a camera direction, lighting note, and mood description. Gemini comes back with a full 5-shot breakdown. Shot 1, wide establishing aerial, city grid below, rain catching the neon. Shot 2, street level, courier's boots stepping through a puddle reflecting the lights. Shot 3, medium shot, courier pausing, checking a device, light flickering. Shot 4, low angle looking up, a building looming, steam rising from a grate. Shot 5, wide again, courier disappearing into the crowd. That's my production blueprint. Everything I generate from here follows this structure. Before I go to video, I build reference frames for each shot. This keeps the visual language consistent across all 5 scenes. Same color palette, same lighting logic, same world. Click into the image panel and select GPT Image 2. For shot 1, I prompt, aerial view of a near-future city at night. Heavy rain, neon signs reflecting in wet streets below, dense urban grid, cinematic color grade, teal and amber palette, film grain. Generate. That's the establishing frame. Now shot 2. Street level, close on boots stepping into a rain puddle, neon reflections distorting in the water, shallow depth of field, cinematic, teal and amber. Generate. The reflection detail in that puddle is doing exactly what I needed. The colors hold across both frames. I work through all 5 shots this way. By the end, I have 5 reference images that form a coherent visual world. Same color grade, same lighting direction, same cinematic feel. This is the asset library starting to build. Everything saved, organized, and reusable right there on the canvas. Now the video. This is where Pixmax's AI cinematic control feature earns its place. Click into the video panel. I have multiple models available: Kling 3.0, Veo 3.1, Seedance 2.0, Hailuo 2.3, Pixverse, and more. For cinematic work with precise camera movement and high motion quality, I'm going with Kling 3.0 for the wide shots and Veo 3.1 for the close detail shots. For shot 1, the aerial establishing, I use my reference image as the input and add the camera direction from the storyboard. slow pull back from the city grid, subtle camera drift right, rain falling across the frame. Hold on the neon reflections below. Generate. Watch the output. The camera movement is smooth and weighted. It doesn't feel like a zoom. It feels like a dolly. The rain is consistent across the frame. The neon palette from the reference image carried through into the video. That visual continuity is exactly why building reference frames first matters. For shot 2, the puddle close-up, I switched to VO 3.1, which handles fine surface detail and micro movements better. Reference image in, prompt. Boots stepping forward through the puddle, slow motion. Ripples distorting the neon reflection, shallow focus, cinematic. The ripple physics and the light distortion in that shot are genuinely impressive. I work through shots 3, 4, and 5 the same way. Reference image in, camera direction from the storyboard, generate, compare. Each shot goes into the canvas beside its reference frame, so I can do a direct visual check. Color is holding. Lighting direction is consistent. It looks like one coherent world. Still inside Pixmax, click into the audio panel. Select 11 Labs VI 3 for voiceover if you need narration. The voice quality is genuinely broadcast ready. For this piece, I want score only, so I switch to 11 Labs music and prompt. Ambient electronic score, slow build, melancholic undertone, sparse piano over soft synthesizer bed, cinematic, no percussion, 60 seconds. One generation, one track. It sits under the footage without competing with it. Here's the workflow advantage that compounds over time. Every reference image, every video clip, every audio file from this project is saved and organized in the asset library. When I come back to build a sequel or a client asks for a variation, I'm not starting from scratch. I pull the existing assets, run the new shots with the same reference frames, and the visual consistency is already built. This is the difference between a production workflow and just generating things. The asset library, the canvas organization, the project workspace, they're designed for creators who are building series, running campaigns, or working across multiple deliverables. That's the full workflow. Concept development with Gemini, reference frames with GPT Image 2, cinematic video with Kling and VO, audio with 11 Labs. All of it inside one canvas, one project, one platform. If you've been stitching together 5 different tools to do what I just showed you, Pixmax AI is worth a serious look. Link is in the description. Go build something cinematic.